How would you like your very own free funnel builder? That's right, a free funnel builder. This thing is absolutely spectacular and it's going to really change the game for you. So forget about Clickfunnels, forget about Instapages, forget about lead pages. This is an absolute no-brainer. Groovepages by groovefunnels has been created by marketers for marketers, and it's 100% for free. I'm just going to go ahead and quickly show you what it's like on the inside. This is what you're met with. Now, it is a limited amount of funnels that you can build in here, but you can continue to change them out as needed. You can build lead pages, lead magnets, sales pages, sales funnels, and you can do so 3 different times. And of course, you can constantly delete them and create new ones as you go. All hosted absolutely free for you. There's no additional cost to you. You don't have to spend money on a website, and it's absolutely easy to use. So let's go ahead and just create a simple lead page where you can collect leads and start building your email list. So you click on create new site, okay? And what you're going to do is you have an option of different templates that are available for you in here if you get the pro version. Now, the templates that are available for free are for you right on the first line here. So you have your upsell page, you have the ability to create a VSL page, a simple landing page for a website. Let's say if you're going to be building it for a client, if you're doing any kind of client work, or another type of lead capture page. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and take a look at some of these here that are pre-done for you. These are beautiful, absolutely stunning, and they don't take any additional work on your part to build. So this is absolutely breathtaking. As you can see here, this is a book funnel. Now you would put this on a page after you've collected the lead, but as you can see, it's got a progress bar built in. It's got the headline here, the product description. I mean, it's absolutely breathtaking. And then of course you can go ahead and put your buy button link here, which is this one here. So if you use PayPal, Stripe, Thrivecart, I mean, anything that you can use in order to collect a payment, just go ahead and throw the link there, and there you have it. Now we have the VSL page, which is absolutely stunning looking. I love the blue on here, and it even tells you this is where you're going to be putting the headline. Here's where you're going to be embedding the video for your VSL, and then of course your call to action. And look at all of the additional spots available for editing below. I mean, this is absolutely breathtaking. So what we're going to quickly do is build a lead magnet page, a simple one where it's just got a simple headline along with a email capture form and then the button. So what we're going to do is we're going to head on over to the left panel here where it says blocks, and as you can see, it's got a number of features available for you here. So here we have the header blocks. Okay, these are just basic templates that you can use. All right, so let's say we wanted to simply create a headline and capture. All right, there we have it. There we have it. Very simple. Now, from here, you can go ahead and adjust the settings for the containers by clicking on the element that you'd like to change. So I want to keep this white, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and click in the box here like I have already done. And then I'm going to click on here. Wait, let's go ahead and do that again. Okay, click on here. And now what we're going to do is click on expert mode, and we're going to change some of these elements. This element being the background. All right. Click on that, and now it's changed it all to white. Now, obviously, we want to change the headline color as well because that was white as well. So let's go ahead and change that to black. And we're just going to say, discover the newest, best funnel builder and page creator out now. Okay? And then what we're going to do is change this button here. Okay, let's go ahead and try to stretch this out. All right, let's see here. Sizing. Okay, boom. Okay, now you can leave it on the side if you leave it as a small little button, but I like to have it on the bottom. And then I want to click inside of the forms here and put a little border so that people know this is a place that you would fill out the information. So let's go ahead and put some borders on there. Okay, border, corners, shadow, default. Okay. And as you can see, it created the border around it, and it even created that little shadow around the name box, but it looks like it's a little too light, so I want to make it a little bit more. Okay, so let's go ahead and change that up a bit. I'm going to go back to design. I'm going to go back to border. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some padding to that. Okay, let's see what that looks like now. A little bit better, but as you can see, it's fairly easy, and you just go ahead and set it how you'd like. Okay, we don't want to do anything with the spacing. We don't need to do really anything with the sizing either. And custom attributes, we don't want to change that. All right, so everything looks pretty darn good. All right, global styles, nope, text, size, background, color. Let's see here, black, and let's see what this ends up looking like. Okay, so there we have it. Okay, look at that. Okay, so let's go ahead and exit back out. And as you saw, it did change it to black when you click on it. So there are a bunch of features about this that are pretty awesome. And if you look at the other options on the left-hand side, we have the ability to add different containers. So if you want to build something within a container itself, you would use that and just drag and drop. This is an empty container, it tells you. And then it gives you the option to see what the page is going to potentially look like when you're using different devices, which is one of the things I really love about it. This is what it would look like on mobile. This is what it would look like on, let's say, some type of tablet, and so on and so forth. This is maybe a bigger tablet. This would be a laptop and then a desktop. So I mean, it really is filled with features. Now, one of the really cool things is additional here that you get to do are pop-ups. So let's say somebody is coming to your site but decides, you know what, I don't really want to do whatever it is that you're looking for them to do, whether it be enter their email address or even give you a payment of some sort because you're selling something. So this enables you to go ahead and create a pop-up. And what this will do is give you another chance to either capture the lead or present them with some type of a coupon if you're selling something. It's a very useful tool that allows you to do everything that you possibly can in order to convert that person into either a sale or a lead. Pretty stinking simple to use. And of course, like anything, they are always building this up, continuing to add more features. They provide a free Facebook group for you to start promoting it and even making commissions with this tool. So guys, go ahead and click the link in the description below for your own free copy of GrooveFunnels by groovepages. It's absolutely fantastic. It's free for life, built for marketers, for you to go ahead and start making money online as fast as possible without a huge investment. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know in the comments section. Also, if you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed the gift, go ahead and let me know in the comments section as well. Also, for future videos, I want to provide content that you care about. Go ahead and let me know inside of the comment section what kind of videos you would personally like to see. If you'd like to see certain things reviewed, or you need help with understanding how affiliate marketing or internet marketing works, please go ahead and do so in the comments section below. And don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and click that subscribe button. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye, guys.